got a great video for you today from How to Have Fun Outdoors. That's right, a Class C review. Many people have asked us to do RV reviews, but quite frankly, we're more into how to have fun outdoors. But this Class C caught our attention, and we thought we would post this video for everyone at home looking to get into an entry-level Class C. This is the 21RS 4500 Chevy chassis, and this is dealer stock only. That's what it's called, DSO. And we're going to highlight this one for you today, and it's got a great layout. Alice and I loved it, and it's a nice entry into the Class C arena if you want to check out the RVing. And we're going to show you the layout of this thing. It's pretty awesome. You've got the big queen bed in the back, the bathroom back in the corner, a nice dinette, great kitchen, and lots of room for the whole family. So definitely subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. Even though we are Class B camper van RV life guys, we thought we would throw this video at you if you're interested in one of these Class C's. And this is a nice overall product to get into if you're ready to hit the road and have some fun outdoors. So here you go, and we hope you enjoy. All right, here we are in the Freelander, and we've got Alice, who's been RVing her whole life. Yeah. We're taking advantage of this 53rd Coachmen Rally here in Goshen, Indiana. And Alice is going to show us some models here. This is pretty cool, real quick reviews. Yep. And this is the Freelander, and it's on the Chevy chassis, as you saw in the intro. And here's the control panel. Down here you got your generator, your slide rooms, water pumps, all that good stuff. Got a nice GFI outlet, and then down below your patio light, cap light, entry light, etc. Awning extend, that's all there. Fuse box, of course, and really nice screen door. That's really nice. Yep. And the first thing we noticed is how bright the color is and how it looks. But before we get started, we're going to show you right up here the Chevy Dashboard and how that's all set up. Nice drink holders, little handle grip there, and this is a nice chassis for these RVs. And let's talk about the top here first. I mean, there's a lot of room up there. Even got a TV in the corner, and this looks nice. Padding's huge. What do you think?
Well, the first impression that I had when I came in is how spacious, gigantic the space here is. Both over the chassis with this big bed, there is room probably for 2, even 3 people very easily.
Yeah,
but not
definitely too comfortable up there. I mean, there's definitely room, and you've got the vent here. Yep. Really nice. And let's walk over here. Show us what we got over here.
Yeah, but also like the eating area and the kitchen, they are very well divided. There are space for 2 people walking back and forth. The colors are really light, and all these windows, they bring brightness to the wall environment. So this is totally the first impression. As you can see, the eating area can fit easily 4, maybe even 5 people. And the kitchen has a very nice cooking area here, and nice 2 big sink where you can actually
nice double sink, what you typically see in a household. 3 burners on that, which is really nice. Yep. And you can see the quality of that looks pretty good.
A nice
lots of cabinets.
Nice microwave, a lot of space for all your groceries, all over the kitchen and over the table. And then we can move with a little step to refrigerator and freezer. Very big. I mean, to be in an RV, I'm very surprised about the dimension of this.
Yeah, and this is nice. You got the convection microwave, grill, speed cook. This is a nice size unit, and this is really great for cooking. I mean, I think that's one of the challenges in our little Class B. We love it, but we don't have that convection oven or a large cooking area there. So I know you love that, but this is a really nice kitchen and a lot of nice space here. So let's check out the rest of this.
Well, if you follow me, pay attention to your step. There is here the bedroom area. As you can see, is slide out from the rest of the RV, and is very spacious, and you have a lot of cabinets for all your belongings. So this is really, really nice.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
It's a nice slide out design. Really cool.
I'm really curious to see the bathroom. So let's open this door and let's discover how spacious the bathroom is.
Wow.
Really nice. I love the fact that there is light over the shower.
Yeah.
And also over the sink. Really nice mirror. And yeah, I really like the bathroom too. Look at how much space also for all your bathroom belongings.
Yeah. So Alice's been in America 10 years, but she grew up in an RV similar to this, right? All through her childhood in Europe, and they went all over Europe, and so she was really curious to see some of these Coachmen models, and we, of course, as you know, have the Coachmen Beyond, and we're super happy with that, but this is pretty nice. I think it's a pretty nice design. I like how all this sits in the back, and it's pretty cool.
Yeah, absolutely. I would say I would give it like a 4 Discovery buses.
4 Discovery buses. You gotta love that. So that's our rating system, named after our Class B, the Discovery bus. So a 5 would be as high as you could go. And let's take a look there. You got a lot of storage up in there for sure, right?
Yeah, the storage is
Drink
really
holders
big.
there.
Honestly, when you open it up, you can see is very width and long, so you can fit a lot of stuff inside here.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you got your little temperature control over here, which is nice. And that's pretty cool. Seatbelt system right on these, so throw the kids in there. So that's your interior of this unit, and I think overall, like we said, it's pretty nice unit from Coachmen for sure.
As you can see, the screen door is fantastic and allow you to have like a nice fresh air without the mosquitoes coming in.
Okay.
So a really nice plus. Yeah.
Slide out. Well, we hope you enjoyed the Coachmen 21RS on the Chevy chassis Freelander, and our goal is to get these reviews done within 10 minutes, and we were successful. Leave your comments down below. Tell us what you guys think. Give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and this is, as we stated, a nice entry into the Class C RV space. So with that, thank you so much for watching How to Have Fun Outdoors.